Welcome students. In this video, I am going to discuss circle. Now circle. A circle is the set of all points in a plane which are equidistant from the fixed point in the plane. Like if you have this O as fixed point. Now the points, let P1 here, this P2 is on the boundary, P3. All these points are at a fixed distance from this center. The curve described is known as the circle. This fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the distance from center to a point on the circle is called the radius. Now look here. Here we are going to have this OP1 is always equal to OP2 is equal to OP3. Now from the definition we have said that the distance from the fixed point is always constant. Like if the distance is r, the radius is r, then center is at hk. You take any arbitrary point on the boundary of circle like xy, then the definition says the distance is always constant, is r. Distance cp is r. So apply the distance formula. This is root x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r. Squaring on both sides, we are going to have the standard equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is r square. So, or the one important thing is in circle, the coefficient of x square and y square are always unity or they are equal. Either they are unity or they are equal. Now here I have written any journal equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And you have to write its center and the radius. What we do? We make write in the form of perfect square like x square plus 2gx. Now we add g square. On the same way, we are adding g square on the right hand side. Then the term of y plus y square plus 2fy plus add f square. If you are adding f square on the left hand side, in the same way on the right hand side, and move this constant c to the right hand side. So this you can rewrite this as x plus g whole square. Here this is y plus f whole square is g square plus f square minus c. Now if you compare these two equations, the value of h is minus g, k is minus f. So your center hk is minus g minus f, right? And the radius, this is going to be r square. So r is root g square plus f square minus c under the root. So in journal equation, the center is minus g minus f and the radius is under the root g square plus f square minus c. First question, find the equation of circle with center 0, 2 and radius 2. First we'll write the journal formula. We know that the equation of circle with center at hk and the radius r is given by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is r square. Here h is given to be 0, k is 2 and r is also 2. So put the value x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is 2 square. Expand your square, you will get x square plus y square plus 4 minus 4y is 4. This 4 will be cancelled. So you will have x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. Second question, find the equation of circle with center 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and the radius 1 by 12. First you write the journal equation with the center hk and radius r, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is r square. Here h is 1 by 2, k is 1 by 4, r is 1 by 12. So you will have x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus y minus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 1 by 12 square. Expand your square and simplify your answer. You will have x square plus 1 by 4 minus 2 into x into 1 by 2 will be minus x. Same here, y square plus 1 by 16 minus y by 2 is 1 equal to 1 by 144. Shift all the constant to the left hand side and then take the LCM. LCM will be 144 and simplify your answer. Question number 6. Find the center and the radius of this circle. The circle is x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 36. So you can compare these with this equation. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is r square. So I have rewritten this as x minus of minus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is 6 square. So that means h, if you compare these two, h is minus 5, the k is 3 and r is 6. R is a radius distance, so it is always positive. So center HK will be minus 5, 3 and the radius is 6. Question number 7. Find the center and the radius of circle. The circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 equal to 0. I am going to discuss this question with two methods. The first, I am going to convert this equation of circle in the form of perfect square. So the term of x square minus 4x. Now you have to make the perfect square. Half of coefficient of x, that will be minus 2. So write its square, add its square. Minus 2 square will be 4 on left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Same here, y square minus 8y. Half of the coefficient of y, that will be minus 4. So if you do the square of minus 4, that will be plus 16. So add plus 16 on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. And shift this constant to the right hand side. So now you can rewrite this as x minus 2 whole square. Here y minus 4 whole square is 65. Now compare with the standard equation. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is r square. So the h is 2, k is 4 and r is root 65. So your answer center hk will be 2, 4 and the radius r is root 65. You can also do this question by comparing with the standard equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here 2g is minus 4, so g will be minus 2. 2f is minus 8, so f will be minus 4 and the c is minus 45. So center minus g minus f is 2, 4. Radius r is root g square plus f square minus c. So this is minus 2 square plus minus 4 square minus of minus 45 is root 65. Question number 9. Again find the center and the radius. So here the coefficient of x square and y square are not unity but they are equal. So first we'll make them unity. So divide your equation with 2. You'll get x square plus y square minus x by 2 equal to 0. Now compare with this equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So 2g is minus 1 by 2. So g is minus 1 by 4. F is 0. C is also 0. So center minus g minus f will be 1 by 4, 0. And the radius r is root g square plus f square minus c. So this is minus 1 by 4 whole square. Other terms, these two terms are 0 under the root. This is 1 by 16 and the root will be 1 by 4.